If you're turning over $1 million per year or even $3 million per year, on paper that sounds pretty good, but digging into your financials, is it a different story? Let's say you're making 20% gross profit. At $1 million per year, that's $200,000. Pretty good, right? But after you take out your overheads, pay interest on your loans, pay your tax bill, and allow for depreciation on all your equipment, you're probably only left with $50,000 net profit. Maybe $100,000 to $150,000 if you're turning closer to $3 million. Still not terrible, but then you've got to consider what goes into making that money. You're on site at 7 a.m. or earlier, making sure things are on track. You're putting out fires all day, dealing with clients, suppliers, staff. You're having to chase difficult clients who never pay on time. You're taking on more and more risk, hiring staff, buying more vehicles and equipment, signing contracts, some even 300 pages long. All the while, material prices keep going up and up. You're spending way too many hours getting jobs over the line, quoting, stuck on the phone, and doing the back and forward tap dance, trying to convince clients that the cheaper guy isn't allowing for everything that you have. Then on the weekends, you're in catch-up mode, trying to pick up all the balls you've dropped during the week, plus not to forget the years of sacrificing your personal life, working 70, 80, sometimes even 100 hours per week, missing family time and being too busy for holidays or hobbies. And to top it all off, you don't feel confident or in control of your numbers, and you worry that your financials aren't being taken care of properly and that it's getting in the way of your success. But it's not your fault. With so much on your plate and not enough hours in the day to do it all, finding the time to actually slow things down, understand how you're going, get a handle on your finances, and focus on driving better results beyond just a quick glance at your profit and loss statement just never seems to happen. You're just way too busy. This is where your accountant should step in, but rarely are they able to. And it's the traditional accounting business model that's to blame. Despite there being many great accountants, most firms working with businesses like yours are really only interested in filing tax returns, which is why you only speak to your accountant once or twice a year. But if you're turning over $1 million per year, what you really need is a supportive team helping you to actually earn more money now, rather than just meeting come tax time to simply outline how you went when it's already too late to do anything about it. This is proactive advice and guidance when it counts. And that's where Trade Business Accountants comes in. What's it worth to know your accountant is working behind the scenes, handling everything for you, so you don't have to think about it or worry about whether or not your numbers are on track and your finances are being taken care of properly? What's it worth to have everything in one place, under the one roof, looked after by one team, so you don't have to deal with the coordination fatigue that comes with playing the middleman between your admin, bookkeeper, and accountant? What's it worth to have your numbers explained in a way that actually makes sense to you, so that you can make better and more informed business decisions based off data and facts, not just gut feel hoping things will work out? What's it worth to know that your business is compliant and your finances are being managed in a way that keeps you out of hot water, so that you don't have to worry about unexpected tax bombs, audits, or fines from the ATO? What's it worth to know that you're getting regular, proactive coaching on your numbers, so that you know exactly what levers to pull and unlock greater profitability and success in your business? What's it worth to know that your business and personal assets are protected through the right structures to ensure that you and your family aren't at risk of losing everything that you've worked so hard to build? And finally, what's it worth to have a team of business and financial experts in your corner that you can access at any time with no extra charges to bounce ideas off, discuss challenges, and workshop opportunities to consistently improve and do better throughout the year? This is the foundation of our service, giving trade business owners throughout Australia, just like you, an all-in-one, first of its kind accounting, tax, bookkeeping, business coaching, and advisory solution that's usually only reserved for big business. We have over 30 years of hands-on experience across the trade, construction, and finance industries, advising contractors anywhere from startup to 30 million in revenue, to even some of Australia's largest developers and tier 1 builders. Your industry is our industry, and we understand exactly how you need to set up, structure, and manage your trade business for success. We are your teammates, your partners, and your allies. And we'll take everything financial off your plate so that you can simply focus on what you do best, running your business. Book in a call with our team today and let's get started. I look forward to speaking with you soon.